was the number of this puppy?
166.
Zeros? Was it one? Let me see.
Hello.
Yes, 166, and she weighs 12 pounds. Yeah, baby. Puppy, look at the kissy puppy.
Yes, thanks for the kisses. Yes,
The kitty pie.
Not the kisses. Yes,
Puppy,
yes.
puppy, puppy.
Yes. I just love your little tails going. Yes. I just love when your little tails go. Get your toy. You stick around the backside, huh?
They love that bench.
Around the backside, huh? There you are. There you are. Yes, hello. Hello. Come over here. Get it. Get your one.
What's your puppy doing? What's your little puppy doing? What's your little puppy doing? She mostly wants you.
Yes, hello. Hello. Hello.
Look at that cutie pie.
Yes, hello.
What a good girl. What a very good girl.
Good girl.
What a good girl.
Yes. Look at that nice little tummy. Yes, look at that nice little tummy.
Okay, puppy, puppy, say goodbye. Say goodbye, everybody. Oh, I just went kisses. This is 166. She's a female. Okay, you. What are you gonna play with? Come on, puppy. Come on, little girl. Here. Yes. Come on, puppy. Look what I got for you. Look what I've got for you. Here you go. Do you not want the toy? You don't want the toy? No, boo. No, mom. No. Here, you take this. You take this. Yeah, you are gonna sit there. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Hi. She's like, oh, who are you? I'll sit nice for you. Sweetie. You're someone new. I'll be a good girl for you. Look at her.
See how long that lasts.
Oh, there's my mom. There's my mom. That's my mom. Yes, my mom. Yes, yes, my mom. Hello, my mom. Let's get the ball. Do you want this ball? No. No ball? No ball? No? Don't want to chase after the ball? She tried jumping up on you, Matt. I can reach him. Here, get my close-up. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Now you got it. They love being the center of attention. She's so cute. Hey. Puppy, what do you got there? Was that your new toy, puppy? Huh? Is that your new toy? Are you proud of your new toy? Is that a fun toy?
Face.
Come here, puppy, puppy. Come here, puppy, puppy. Come here. Come here. Where's your puppy? Where's your puppy?